Ah! Almost fell there. Okay, I'm starting to hear the waterfall more.
I'm starting to hear the waterfall.
Look at this. Wait. Look at that.
Done.
Oh! It's wet. It's definitely wet, people.
That's why I have Crocs.
There you go. And look, the stream already. It's a little stream. Wait, stop. It's very muddy and stuff. Everybody okay?
I got you. Just hold on. Don't worry.
All right. I'm worried about the kids. Look at this. Very awesome.
Looks like we're close because it's wet.
Oh, look at this, guys. Let's stop and look at all the tangle. Look at this. How does that grow like that?
The sun is going to